So I work for the Flintshire Player Development team, so we run summer play schemes and we do so many different projects within schools, communities. I did the level 2 apprenticeship to gain more knowledge really, to help me expanding my knowledge on everything like playwork principles, the different ways of play there were, just everything. I'm so happy that I did it because in some ways it puts you out of your comfort zone, but at the same time it helped me with building my confidence, with being able to interact with different people on different occasions. It gives you loads of different experiences as a whole. Oedd o'n anodd i fi just mynd fyny at rhywun a just siarad. Hefyd o'n rwan dwi'n gallu mynd mewn i ysgolion, mewn i cymunedau, a just bod yn hyderus yn be dwi'n neud a dwi'n hyderus yn be dwi'n gwybod hefyd. But I'd say my next steps now were to progress myself in my workplace, maybe to work myself up to a supervisor and then up from there then. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping to do from that apprenticeship.